to? Wonder how late it is. Now it should start. It is.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me though? Is my question. Huh? Spin. Wait, no, okay. Well, I have to build a bit of suspense up. Second.
Spin.
Never.
Spin.
Let's second this. Wait.
Spin. We are impatient. We need
I don't care. Patient.
spin.
Hello. Do you wanna spin for the new language?
Yes.
Let's see today's language.
Batch.
Fuck you.
Batch.
And please no. I'm gonna remove these choices. I'm actually gonna remove these choices. This is not good for my mental health. To my girlfriend, kindly fuck you. She put me up, she added this, and now they are forever gonna be removed because yes, they will be. I will, asshole. What date it?
The first one in batch.
Maybe. After today, probably not. My keyboard is fucking up.
Batch.
Questi dušo, čekaj.
You. Okay, I'm back. Let's watch movie.
Aha. Bash. Fuck. Oh, for let's figure out today's problem. The gondola takes you up. Strangely though. Okay, the rules are the same as yesterday. If I don't finish it up until the 4 AM, so in 3 hours, I do it in JavaScript or something. In some other language, just not Bash or Bash.
You were.
Okay, let's read.
What?
The gondola takes you up. Strangely though, the ground is coming with you.
Yes. You do that.
Seem to be coming with you. They're not climbing a mountain as the circle of snow and a new landmass suddenly appears above you. The gondola carries you to the surface of the new island and lurches into the station. As you exit the gondola, the first thing you notice is that air here is much warmer than it was on Soil. It's also quite humid. I don't know how to read. It is where the water source is. The next thing you notice is an elf sitting on the floor across the station in what seems to be a pile of colorful square cards. I need to remember how to read. No, I just can't read. I suck at reading. Pile of colorful square cards. No.
Kitty is measuring your pee in code.
He can try this challenge himself too in Bash, so let's see who fucking loses his mind first.
Yeah, he's throwing.
I'm always up to a coding challenge.
Yes, that was named by yours.
Oh, hello, the elf excitedly runs over to you. How may I be of service? You ask about the water source. I'm not sure, I just operate the gondola like this. That does sound like something we'd have though. This is Island. After all, I bet the gardener would know. It's on a different island though. The small kind surrounded by water, not the floating kind. We will need to come up with a better naming scheme. I agree. But tell you what, if you can help me with something quick, I'll let you borrow my boat and you can visit the gardener. I got all the scratch cards. The scratch as a gift, but I can't figure out what I've won. The elf leads you over to the pile of colorful cards. There you discover dozens of scratch cards, all with their opaque covering already scratched off. Picking one, looks like each card has lists of two numbers separated by a vertical bar. A list of winning numbers and a list of numbers you have. You organize the information into a table. You puzzle put. As far as the elf has been able to figure out, you have to figure out which of the numbers you have appear in the list of winning numbers. The first match that makes the card one. Each match after first doubles point value of that card. For example, 41, 83. In the example of Go, card 1 has 5 winning numbers. 41, 48.
Even
I already saw it.
cat.
Oh god, I've cursed. What the fuck? And it's numbers you have. Okay. Of the numbers you have, 4 of them are winning numbers. That means the card is worth 8 points. 1 for the first match and the double 3 times for each 3 match. Card 2 has 2 winning numbers, so it's worth 2 points. 2, 1.
Let's see this song.
Oh, this is kinda easy. Kinda. Input txt, actual class.txt, and we again, doesn't matter which card it is. See the whole puzzle.
Dog girl. It's a dog.
Okay, let's get input txt, paste. This should 216 cards. Simple.
You cat. You. Let's see.
There's 2 winning numbers, 1 and 21. Okay, so just number of winning and it's doubled. Okay, I mean that's easy enough, I feel like. Read oh, file bash. Smart people. Clear screen, mode plus x of 4. Okay, 4. Test. Come on. Value. Okay. Perfect, I feel like. Let's use of can.
Let's see this.
Okay.
Watch your down. Don't worry. Bro, this is not what I was asking for.
Okay. Split file by line bash. Okay, there's split. So, hello, I have a question for you.
What's interesting?
One. I have a question for you. So bash, I can use anything that I have that's normally installed on a Linux system. Because a lot of these things are, I mean, yeah, but what the fuck is just bash? I don't know. It's not an add-on.
Nothing, you can't add nothing on.
I'm not adding anything on. Because on bash you don't have much stuff. You usually, call thingy magics like cat to read your file. And for example, split to split your file.
Step.
Let's see the split hill. File line into array bash. Oh my god. Lol.
Let's put.
File.
What the fuck? Oh. Yes. Fuck you. You.
Okay.
Yeah.
Delimiter of an array variable. Ah, I'm stupid. I can probably just use A here, can't I? No.
Cool.
Alright.
Yeah.
I don't know how arrays work. Array bash.
If you put his brain a bit. True. Done then. Hmm. Oh.
Okay, so this is, I guess, how I do. And I have
Hmm.
I. Okay. So weird. Yes, so that's cool. And then I split it. This and I split it on space. String dash.
Everything okay? This is a custom one I made of my cat. It means the litmus.
Litmus test. Let's see. Okay, we split it on this, I guess. Over replacing on single speed and Let's try. So we have in. We're gonna do this. In is this. Zero. Card 6. And the string in with
it's my favorite.
replace. Oh gosh, replace perimeter string. Syntax used. Okay, so she spaces we need to fs. Okay, let's try to reread this. The construction replaces all occurrences.
That's a funny. Oh my god.
In.
The fucking nun always gets me.
Okay.
What fucking you? I like the last one.
Zero point gotchas.
This one is also funny.
So I'm guessing that means do this. Card 6. Yes. No.
It's the pink cat.
Spaces, you need to use IFS. IFS. What to?
That's a good one.
IFS me. Based on what I want to split it, probably. I mean, probably. I don't think. Truth to be told, I don't know. But we're trying. This. And then we can split it based on this. One, two, three, two. I'm probably doing it more complicated than I need to. I mean, we'll probably do it by offsets and just go bloop, 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 bloop. It's just all seems very offsetted. I don't care. Array bash. Append. append to array bash. Oh. Cool. In 0, so we have left and right, and we can split them too. Results. Space. Guesses. Guesses.
What the
P1,
f- this?
18, and then. Oh no, it's 18 and 0, 1, 2. 2, 10. Okay, that's correct. Cool. I can just. It's already there. What am I thinking, brother? I can just probably check if it's in a string. Check if substring match. I can't. No, I can't. This will be fun to do. It's easier to just fetch it. Part 3 121. It's for trimming it. Just go. Do and the results is perfect. Your guesses are results. Just gonna skip that and that. Okay, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna working what? Draft. So let's go with that, and then we can do this. With this, we can just once. Echo
It's Louis.
results. Program blah blah blah. Perfect. It's not what I wanted to close down. Let's see. I don't care anymore. Okay. Back to water. Huh? It's going better than I expected. Great, asshole. You forced me to do this. I guess that is the result, I guess. After getting the results for okay, perfect. Okay, for each guess, and then for okay, just please.
That's absolutely correct.
Some it's how the fuck do you do if bash Ryan's tutorials?
Oh god, she corrected.
If then P. If then else. I'm stupid.
I don't remember anything.
You're also so quirky and cool the way they do equations. Google. Arithmetic. 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 We should do let a let
Oh.
let
What the fuck?
Probably don't need. Why is everything so complicated? What? Match. Some my nuts. Not nice. Not anything. 28. Oof. Thirteen 5 5 1 2. Let's see if that makes sense. 13. Okay, it doesn't, which means it's just not good. So echo, Guess. No, let's go in results. Guesses. This is J. Echo. Guess. Match. If match, probably. There is. Okay. Four matches. No, it's. Oh, that's quite stupid.
The fuck?
Okay, let's call it line. So, some line sum is
Allah, I knew these shoes thingies.
is equal to 0, and then I can do sum is equal to sum plus line sum. Full sum is sum. Brother, is 13 correct? 13 is indeed correct. Let's try instead of test the input in 23,941. Cool, I got it. Okay, this is going much better than yesterday. 30 minutes in. Fuck. Part 1. Leave it somewhere there, I guess. And then I can finally remove all these fuckers. Okay, cool. Just as you're about to report your let's read part 2, I guess. Just as you're about to report your findings to the elf, one of you realizes that the rules have actually been printed on the back of every card this whole time. There's no such thing as points. Instead, scratch cards only cause you to win more scratch cards equal to the number of winning numbers you have. Specifically, you win copies of the scratch pads below the winning card equal to the number of matches. So if card 10 were to have 5 matches, 5 matching numbers, holy shit, I forgot how to read. You would win 1 copy of each card 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Copies of scratch cards are scored like normal scratch cards and have the same number as the card they've copied. So if you win a copy of a card 10 and it has 5 matching numbers, it will win a copy of the same card. It would then win a copy of the same card as the original card 10 won. This process repeats on all copies you make you copy a card passed at the end of the table. This time was different. Has 4 winning numbers, so win 1 copy of 2 has 2 numbers, so win 1 copy of cards 3 and 4. If copy card 2 also wins copy of 3 and 4. 4 instances of card 3, 1 original and 3 copies have 2 matching numbers, so win 4 copies each of cards 4 and 5. Fuck me. Your 8 instances of card 4, 1 original, 7 copies have 1 matching number, so you win 8 copies of card.
This is too funny.
Oh my god, this is brain damage. 14 instances of card 5, 1 original, 3 copies. No matching numbers. Once all of the original copies are processed, you end up with 1 instance of card 1, 2 instances of card 2, 4 instances of card 3, 8 instances of card 4, 14 instances of card 5, and 1 instance of card 6. In total, this example of 30 scratch pads. And copied scratch pad. The original set of scratch pads. How many scratch cards? So I need to find the number of scratch pads. Feel like yeah. So this is all the original copied scratch cards until no more scratch cards are won. Oh, fuck me. Oops. Because, okay, part 2 is very brain damaging. Yes. I did tell. Funny you were listening. So, how many total scratch cards do you end up with? So not only winning scratch cards, but normal scratch cards. Fuck. I feel like this is... I'm not gonna say this is easy. This is not easy. Let's see. I don't need arithmetics. I don't need ifs. Check if substring. I don't need that.
What? Huh?
Support don't further size is G. So I can. Fuck. A total number of paths to 0.
Oh god.
So this is each card, each card. So at the top I do line sum. Can I? What the fuck? Let's close that arithmetic. C++. Can just do that maybe. Simple thingamabobs. I mean not line sum this cards. This and then I have an array of blue. Ako. Okay. Okay, let's again go back to test. Okay, so it's but cool.
Oh.
Array
Oh,
at
no. Oh no.
one of these is gonna work. What's next? Next. Last one. Oops. Out of check if exists array hash. Set return ABC, not set return nothing. Goodbye. If just if else doesn't doesn't go the others exist. Okay, if it does exist, we want okay then it's not amount, it's a multiplicator. Multiplicator. So why the fuck is equal to actually multiplication. Okay, good. So it's 1. Otherwise, it's whatever the fuck this is. Everyone, it should be working multi. Okay, now let's think more. So for the multiplicator. Now, the line sum is how many of the next cards I get times the multiplicator. So each time I find a match, instead of line sum, maybe I can do for loop match. I don't want infinite loops, I want loops with thingy-majigs, please. For loop. String command, substitution command, line arguments. I do 8, 2, 2, 1. Was that? Let's spin this one. 8221. Okay, it is. So for how exactly do I say this? For I in, so we can't use I, so let's use some other thing like L, I guess. Do that. Do. Then amount is what? So it's L plus L plus the current. Let's give it a better name. Item. So it's okay. So let's do index is equal to 10 plus I, and then we can do something like this, and it's gonna be so. Yes, we found it, which means we are gonna give it 7 more times, 6 more times. So if it doesn't exist, you're just gonna set it to the multiplicator. If it does exist, last amount this I'm gonna put it this way. Index, that's last amount, and then we have what last amount plus multiplicator. And each time total number of cards equals to total number of cards plus, well, then I don't need this, I guess. Let's actually do total number of cards instead of some total number of cards is 49. Oh, G. Does it not just work for me, or am I $I? Ecco. I don't know. Didn't this work? 1 point. I'm sure it worked. What? Why the Okay, certain add available. No, I certainly did it correctly. What the fuck is wrong with this? So it never worked. Stupid. Okay. Nothing new. Range bash with variable. Second. Line, I guess. What the fuck did I call this before I changed it to Z? I don't know, I called it something. Item. Yeah. What? Next. I'm sure what's going on. Month. Cards is 6. I don't think that's true. Yeah. 30 seems like a much bigger number to me. Aqua. K4. 1 1 1 2. That's certainly not true. Let's do this index. Wait, what the fuck is this? This is L. What the fuck is L? No, I don't need an identity index. Aqua index flex. Oh no, I should just do plus plus, shouldn't it? Yep. Let's 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 means the number of duplicates at index multiplicator. Why the fuck do I do this? Multiplicator again, not really what it should be. It should be number is last. 16 again, not really correct. So fuck. I found this many. Found this many cards. I just found one card. This would might help. Total number of cards. So I found first one. Then do I add the multiplicator? So I would usually do that. how many duplicates I've found. 0 duplicates, but no, that's just gonna spin off like that. We do one place, I guess, here. What multiplicator plus 30. Okay. 30 is indeed correct. Somehow. This is new to me. I did get the correct number, and I'm not gonna think about it too long. It's gonna take some time. The probability of it being 5 million cards, I don't know, maybe. Oh, it is correct. I'm the best, what can I say? I did it. I finished. Fuck yeah.
You finished!
Finally.
It's school.
Of course. What should I do now? What should I do now? I finished this run.
Microphone.
There's just a lot of setup, I don't wanna do it. What the fuck should I do now? Pull some lines, maybe just call it an amount. Amount of cards, amount of next amount, next cards. Yeah. Perfect.
Mikey, what do you wanna do?
I don't fucking honest.
You wanna program something else?
Probably. No.
You said you wanna go, man.
Yes, and I'm lied. Let's see what kind of interesting project I have going on.
I'm a bad person like that.
Yes, she is. She's an awful person. No. Not for bad people. Oh.
Is it?
The fuck does it say here? 21 hours. What the fuck? It says stream 21 hours ago. How? This is just great. I have... I don't know. Anyways, let's see. I wanna see what kind of ideas I have saved in my idea book. And by book, I mean thingy-magic on Telegram. Sure, what's good. That I should do, certainly. We have not talked about the game. What have we not done? We said we're gonna do. Do we even have a doc for?
Dog.
Huh?
What?
A doc for. We have a doc for something.
The game.
Yes. Thank you. So that means you remember.
I'm gonna continue the movie.
What should I do? URL state. That might not be the worst idea. Are there anything? Is there anything like that here? Let's check. Let's see. URL state. State. If they don't say any library and just say SWC.
Exactly.
JSON server. Data and data. Okay, sure.
Huh?
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 I agree.
You should congratulate Matthew.
How about we do a coding challenge?
You wanna do coding challenge with him?
Yeah.
Do you wanna do one? And stream it for me to see how you do fight yourself? In JS, JavaScript.
In whichever the fucking language he wants.
Wanna do it in...
I don't think there's any. Hello?
Do you wanna do it with Kirish?
But yeah, the thingamajig in whichever language he wants.
Whichever language you want, Mikey said if you wanna do a coding challenge with him, he invites you.
Okay.
I'm here to watch.
Real state. Does it have downloads it like what? It doesn't. Does this have? Does this have thingamajigs? It has some. Not good.
I'm here.
We could do this.
He said no academic shit.
Whatever he wants to build, I don't care. You know?
You want to build Mikey's.
The load.
Basically, fight it out in JS code about whatever.
In what now?
In JS. JS. Bah, it's a JS. Okay. Or in Rust.
Thinking of new things.
Okay, perfect for today. Do you wanna?
If he wants Rust, if he wants fucking, I don't know, whichever language he wants.
Mikey said.
Oh no! Oh fuck, I closed that shit down. How the fuck?
Yes, to me. Yes.
Bash arithmetic. What's the website for thingamajigs? No, that website I used for finding that circle. I accidentally closed it down. What fucking
It's gonna be ready soon.
Wheel of Names, yes, Wheel of Names. Thank you, Wheel of Names. Fuck you, other people. Let's print this tab so I don't close it. He can do whichever one of these languages, I guess. He wants.
Let's see.
No, there's a lot more languages.
C, OCaml, Python, C++, TypeScript, and C#.
Let's not go with Go, I don't know Go. I can't install it correctly anytime I do, so I just don't use it.
Rust.
Or what are we doing in Rust?
Okay, I'm gonna watch. He's gonna gonna install it quickly.
What?
Rust.
Why does he have Rust installed?
No. His Rust project. Wait, but wait. You first. Let's get them.
Yeah, let's get them another portion. Hello. Do you hear me? Can you go on the stream and tell me the stream can hear you through the call? Because I don't think it can. Hello. What the fuck?
You won't stream Discord.
Huh? I'm gonna stream Discord, I'm just gonna read as a source.
No, you won't stream our voices.
Do you want me to stream your voices or not?
He does not mind.
Do you mind? Perfect, then we can add an audio. Fucking
I think
it's closed.
because I can be heard through your mic.
Probably. I'm gonna do that. Can you check?
And I will
Just transition. Can you check? It doesn't work. Oh wait.
Yes, it's good.
So it let me mute. So can you actually hear him on? Yes, you can. I just did the... There. Okay, I'm stupid. I don't know how to read. Anyways, I have even less viewers. I somehow I somehow liked my own video. I mean, I was on my phone and booked my notification. I liked the video, and it went to 0 somehow. But I still was like, I was like, what the fuck? Do I unlike and then just get the point of all the things?
Rusty Sandbox. There we go. Wait a sec. That's the wrong repo.
Okay, you guys have to like say what the challenge is.
Of course, we have to say what the challenge is. I mean, obviously.
You know, it's much.
I don't even fucking know. I'm just opening a Rust project.
Oh, good.
Why not make a new file?
What are you doing then?
Are you speaking to a potato or
Who?
Potato.
him?
It is a condenser mic, so
Oh, it's very condensed.
I don't know if Discord's being really shit with the audio quality.
It is being.
Nice.
I don't know. You can probably go to the stream to hear yourself. It does not sound nice. It's not good.
Screw you, internet.
Rusty Sandbox.
Yes.
Project.
What shall we do?
Alright. Do I have the server running?
Y'all need to talk, bro.
What?
Y'all need to talk.
How about you talk? Huh?
What am I gonna do with talking?
I don't know.
Contributing anyway. You two are the coder guys. I'm here for the butt of the joke.
The butt of the joke, man.
Cool.
Alright.
You two figure it out. I really need to go to the lavatory.
To the
There
lab.
we go. Like crash.
Perfectly fucked.
See and send it to. I have to go to the lavatory.
Screw you in a video. Why you crash? Why you fucking
Because
panic?
it's in a video. And you're on Linux. Why else would it crash?
3, 1, 2. Okay.
Come on,
The fuck?
Run. I'm gonna need you to entertain the chat when I go to the lavatory. In 2 minutes.
Okay. Be on your mic.
Okay.
Add with overflow.
What's that one?
Yes, you can talk
New
simple
X.
stuff.
Wait, what the fuck? Okay, wait. What the fuck? That never used to happen before. The fuck is causing?
300.
It's collision then, okay. So wait a second.
Attempt to Advent overflow.
It's been a few months.
I don't know. Are those pluses or times? Plus. No.
Aye.
What is the... If you go to try generate movement? What's the... 0 to
There we are.
100.
Basic ass random. Alright. This is strange. I never used to have this before. Don't know if anything changed in Rust. It's been a year now. Okay.
Shouldn't have.
It's fine a year ago. Let's see. If I run the old WASM build I did a year ago, everything is fine.
That's
strange. What the fuck?
interesting.
Alrighty. What the fuck?
Weird. Moments of
XX is based on particle property.
Wait. I mean, you can try to do modulo on it. I'm looking at the fucking Stack Overflow answers. So maybe you can try that. I don't know.
Trying to find what exact condition causes that. Okay, so when it's only collision where it happens. Okay. Yeah, just only on collision. Hit a floor within bounds. Compute the new X.
Just print out PX, everything, and see.
Yeah, that's a good fucking idea. Okie dokie. Why am I getting no type info? Type. Rusty. You running?
2 seconds.
Why you know?
You want me to sit now?
Probably because of that. Yeah.
Well, that's helpful.
What set is on? Oh.
I watched that TikTok with the fucker who told it can explode again. And how I just scared. Slowly.
I can't, bro. The gravity force is too strong when it comes to my butt. Hello.
Hello. Привет.
Are you ready for the challenge?
No.
Why?
Because yes.
But if yes was no, what would it then be?
My brain hurts. I have not done Rust since last year. And
this is
for some
perfect
fucking reason, this bitch is not running right.
Go to Windows. Why don't you just go to Windows?
No.
No. how will you introduce yourself to the people of the interwebs?
How I have before. JS Kitty. That's me.
Ooh,
A cat
we
and
have
I
a
do coding.
celebrity.
Alright.
Oh my god. And yes, he's a celebrity. I'm a pleb. Maki's a celebrity. And that's that. Do you like cats, Kitty? Tell me something about yourself.
I am cat. I like cat. Facts over.
But how much?
Go and look. Motherfucking PY. EXPY. Compile that fuck. Eh.
Hello, 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 hello.
422. 408.
I'm thinking about researching polyphasic sleep while you guys stuff it out. Fuck the headphones again.
Panicked attempt to add with overflow. What in the absolute motherfucker are you talking about?
Wait, what? What did you say?
I'm just confused. The shit is this of this thing? What the fuck?
Try generate movement.
A year ago, this code ran fine. I try it now. No, it doesn't. What the motherfucker?
What the
Where's the
motherfucker?
overflow at? What are we? Is it just? Wait. Let's just try.
Before I have to give the spotlight back to Maki, I have to say that you all should like, share, and subscribe because it is a very good channel, and I'm very sorry for bothering all of you with my voice in the background. I hope you all love Maki, adore Maki, and stuff, but not too much. I'm the boss here, okay? But yes.
What's the all? 0 people that watch me.
Mr. O is watching. You better watch out.
What the fuck is this?
You're famous now.
And what the fuck does it mean? Message redacted.
Retracted. They deleted their message.
Oh, that's great.
Bruh.
Are they an Indian scammer?
Scammer people delete the message. Move up. Move your butt. Oh.
Pivy, I need your wisdom.
Now my headphones feel weird.
Why?
I don't know. Come on, jump. And don't sit on the things. I told you not to sit on the cat. You did anyways.
Rip kitty.
How is it going? Have you figured out the problem?
This motherfucker is so fucking confusing. Holy shit. I need Pivy's wisdom. Come here, Pivy. Pivy. Pivy.
I'm gonna just try to. What the fuck is this now? Huh, let's try. Clear, please. Let's see if it's gonna run. Let's move everything here. Cool. That's what I did. Fuck. Hmm.
What the
The
fuck?
fuck did you do?
Whack.
Ah, you're doing it, you're dear. I'm gonna mute you. Please. Can we kick her out?
No! Can I make a beat?
No. You won't be making any more beats. He might hear, I don't. Streaming.
Quite.
I don't hear it. I muted you.
Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, wait. So this is... As U size. That's not a U size. That's... There's some weird casting.
Probably.
Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. I can just use a U8 for that. Probably. Wait, no. I8, yeah.
Okay, is there a blueprint for me?
What now? Yes, there is. Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
Try generate.
Where's the fucking challenge?
Yeah, I don't know. Never.
Never.
Can I have another blueprint? This blueprint not have any.
Really? I don't know if you have any other. Really?
Really?
Why the fuck is it still here?
This is gonna look weird as fuck, but let's see.
Here you go.
Dinner.
Yes.
Painkiller. Yeah, okay. Well, X, that's always gonna be positive, so.
Thank you. You can also blueprint now.
As U size.
It doesn't break.
Fucking teleporting, bitch! Ish. It's teleporting, but it's okay.
duplicating.
Jesus Christ.
You can't have everything.
Fix one thing, break another thing. Okay, this is weird casting for sure.
Why are you doing your old project while you should be doing a challenge?
Exactly, let's do a challenge. Challenge.
Turn that off.
This is my challenge of getting back used to Rust again. I haven't touched Rust since like September 2022. Shit.
Well, shit, you're gonna use something. You're gonna make something else. Now turn that off.
Never.
Ever. Get it back together.
Let me then figure out what the fuck I'm gonna do. No.
Ha. Why was I using U size for this?
At least come and watch the movie with me. You're not gonna do the challenge.
Open graph.
Why did I use hue size for this? That's weird. Screen width. PX32. That's a F32, okay. Okay.
You should change accounts.
Huh. Oh, it's best bro.
It's your name.
Huh?
Got the account name.
Fuck. Fuck.
Alrighty.
Oh my fucking god, of course. If I will do that. What the fuck could I do?
I think I'll be going negative. What the fuck?
Because you did as
Okay, that's
F32.
weird. Yeah. But in theory, use size should be fine. It should never be going negative. So what the fuck is causing that to wrap? It's clearly wrapping. Wait, what? Motherfucker.
It works great.
Okay.
The more you know. Okay, I need to think of something to do.
That is funny.
I'm gonna be baking my butt because you guys aren't helping. Yes. Where did you come back, asshole? I need your. I don't have notification sounds. You know that. I'm streaming. I have the stream mode on, so I don't even hear shit.
Too much.
I noticed, bitch.
You see thing.
So let's see. What do you think I should do? Give me ideas.
The Linux thingy.
What the fuck is the Linux thing?
Huh?
What the fuck is the Linux thingy?
Flappy Bird on.
That's I'm gonna do that when you give me your PC.
I'll give it to you right now.
I don't want to change it. Maybe we need to find a date for that.
Minecraft clone thingy.
I get a. You gotta give me something simpler.
No, bitch. Simple is for bitches.
And we're all bitches here.
Biggest bitch here. You're all small bitches.
For the YouTube gods, I don't get hurt.
Why don't you with AI?
What the fuck do you mean with AI?
Cat AI.
I don't have space for that.
Fuck.
Maybe when I get my hard drive SSD thing, then maybe I can.
Hey, I think okay. Okay, I think I fixed the wrapping.
Kitty.
Okay. Yeah.
Being really creepy, partner.
What do you mean?
Challenge.
Well, I did tell you I'd be. Because
I told you you're gonna listen now, okay? You're gonna listen now.
I did fix a bug though, so that's good.
No, listen.
I did fix a bug.
Listen.
Yeah.
You're gonna go and challenge Maki.
Either we do the challenge or I do something else. I don't care. Just
Just do something, okay? Write some code, you know? Do something together. Come on, you can do it. Do it in JavaScript, whatever. Just
JavaScript. Only you can say that. Otherwise, you get by both people. I don't care. I do. Okay, if you really want to, I can try to make the game. If it does 2 plus 2, I'm gonna cry.
That's fucking
These are
tic-tac-toe
twos.
game, Jesus.
Okay.
Fizz buzz, bitch. The fuck?
A bit
Command line
harder.
calculator?
Some middle of the line.
Oh boy.
Ask for middle of the line challenges.
They're boring as shit. Alright.
These are
Crack a
awful.
beer.
I know what I'm gonna be doing while you fuckers do that. No, I'm joking.
No.
Yes, you can. Fuck. Yes, speak. Please do speak.
You two need to build an audio visualizer.
Maybe.
Ooh,
Full idea.
Because
be
I really
interesting.
want an audio visualizer.
You already have so many of the videos. Okay.
Made with love, mind you.
horrible. Oh, crates. I should have. Crates. Motherfucker.
Type hero. That's the thing. Type.
Pipewire.
Is that a good idea for you too?
What audio visuals? Not really want to do that.
Fuck, what? Okay.
Give me some other ideas, then maybe we can do that.
Is it an app or what? Can it be an app?
What?
Sure. Give ideas and
What?
we say yes, no.
Make
Oh, Git 4.
make the best planner app that you can envision.
I can barely envision
know.
myself.
I made a really shitty Tory wallpaper app.
We need to find it. But
Like
yes,
I did. Think magic. I'm gonna do this. I don't care. While you figure stuff out. Advent of code, but for TypeScript. Advent of TypeScript. I don't know. This seem either too easy or something. Because if it's really just this, I'm gonna cry out of boredom. Submit.
I should collaborate on a programming language.
Oh boy.
Huh? What about that?
I don't know.
Make a programming language together.
It's working so that turn on full names of various cookies.
Who cares?
Start text work, something got down and dirty down spectre and the symptoms of
What do you think?
two skills really 300 so.
Like
What?
to make a programming language together?
No, that's too complicated. Something that we can do now. Variable?
It's complicated.
It's not, don't worry. I mean, just give ideas. Maybe if I thought about building the Minecraft clone.
What?
The Minecraft clone after this.
But there. I'm gonna switch both of you.
Oh, please not. Ah, fuck. Key off.
My voxel fucking engine is in JS, but yeah.
Congrats, he's playing Minecraft.
Ish.
So
It has liquid physics, like volumetric liquid.
cool. These are two ways. What the fuck is wrong with these challenges?
Decide.
The what?
Do you wanna do the coding challenge with Marky or do you wanna hang out with me?
Yeah, I usually don't do those challenges just because they're boring as shit and not really useful in the real life.
Then do you want me to just build the thing logic for you?
What?
The microphone thing. Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Now you keep it, hold everything, and you're gonna stream and screen so that I can fucking see it.
Hmm.
Always.
Okay, I fucking hate this.
Maki,
Yes.
we're gonna go to private post that.
Okay. Okay, let me remove Discord factory. Transition. Yep.
Now stream your screen.
Let's return the music.
I'm sorry. Oh fuck, I'm sorry. Now, what I want you to do
Okay,
is
this I don't like. These are too easy.
stream. Stream.
Behavior.
Stream.
Takes an object type as an input and replaces the validated property with an address.
You have a mess with the butts.
Key of key. Key of key.
Okay, now you keep full screen the stream.
Okay. Key of.
That's so wobbly, wibbly wobbly.
What the fuck?
But full screen. No, it meant.
I'm stupid. I need to do this.
Full screen.
Remember?
Yeah. Now it's quite moving.
Key. Okay.
You can always
Fuck me.
thingy, I lost it. Going thingy.
Okay, this is too loud. I can't. This loud music. Let's see. Okay, so
Always Sam and always Obi.
trim. In the yeah, so this is the way. I think that is the way. Cool. Okay, these are too fucking easy. These suck. Nah. Yeah, no, they're too easy. Okay, so because I said so to my girlfriend, we are gonna have to work. Okay, should I start working on the thing today? Do I start working on the engine or do I work on something else?
Work on the engine.
Okay. I guess you're gonna be doing engine duty. Okay. I need to change settings.
This is a scary character.
I'm at Vulkan API. Vulkan API. Fuck on wall. Vulkan API.
Huh.
Vulkan is the worst thing you'll ever find. So you're gonna be working in that, I guess.
Mhm.
I thankfully have Vulkan. I think, oh, maybe I don't. Actually, if I don't, we're just gonna do OpenGL. Okay, I do have some old Vulkan, so we're gonna do that, I guess. Vulkan tutorial. Is that really Rust? I don't think I'm gonna do Rust, but that's cool. I'm gonna do probably. Actually, I guess we will be making a game. By a game, I mean, I don't know what the fuck we're gonna be doing. Let's see. Let's change the title to game. Okay. In which language should I do it?
What?
In which language should I do it? C++ probably.
Stop.
But I don't know, probably.
He says Rust.
Fuck Rust. Rust sucks.
You don't like Rust.
Rust is okay sometimes. Oh, maybe. Let me just check something. What the result?
Watching movie. Oh no.
Well, once I'm certain how they can be called if higher level interface enhanced Vulkan is provided of panel. Resource management.
Oh.
Okay, let's see. Great.
Oh. But it's a 9-year-old.
So this is just a Vulkan teenager. I mean, that was.
Jesus Christ. This is so weird.
Ash.
This is so weird.
I think there's gonna be trillions of people. Yes. Trillions. For instance, Soviet breaking into the episode.
Oh.
I'm probably gonna be doing it in C++.
Okay.
Because the API is meant more for C++ and all the bindings, I'm not sure how I feel about them. Think.
Why are you not sharing your screen? You keep clicking.
In game with
Share your screen.
Vulkan and C++.
No.
I usually like writing stuff
Okay, I
in
can.
Rust, but I feel like it's so. The thing is,
Wow.
game dev, it's everything is made for C++, which means it's very hard to make it correctly. I mean, it probably feels unnatural to do it anywhere else. I don't know. I can probably just follow the tutorial and be done with it. I mean, let's see. Instance. Vector. I don't know how to even set up this thing. We'll see if you're going to do it in C++ or Rust. We have to still figure it. Development environment, sure. I have Vulkan thingamajig already. GLFW and GLF. It's fine. Okay. Push.
That's it.
So I just do Rust. Fuck. Your choice. Do I do Rust or C++?
C++.
You say. Okay, cool. Thank you.
I'm sorry. I'm talking to two people at the same time.
It's fine. Let's see. Let's hope they're doing the C++ route. Let's then create. Just create. What am I even making? Let's call it a Vulkan. Okay. For now. Why Vulkan? Because it's made in Vulkan. We're also gonna be do remake. Yeah, download free. Like beta
Me too.
to do was I don't feel like I'm is this being updated?
Thank you.
Doesn't seem like it is.
Thank you.
Or maybe they just do releases barely ever. Maybe they do that. Let's fucking figure this shit out.
Buzz.
Develop paper games. Enter. Get it to this one. I'm gonna open this.
Minecraft remake.
I will figure out what we're gonna make exactly. I'm not.
Proud of you.
Thank you.
Listen to me.
Uh,
You are loved. You are appreciated.
Thank you. Don't worry.
And
Oh my fucking god. Yes, I can.
everything that you do. Okay.
Thank you. Now, go watch the movie.
It's his way of telling me to fuck off.
Yeah. Okay, let's figure this stuff out. I created a directory here,
Yes.
as you can see, Vulkan game. We only have this stuff. Just copy pasted it from my other project, Flappy Bird, in quotation marks. So let's figure this stuff out. So
Why was it?
we need some stuff. As it said in here,
I know why.
we're gonna need Vulkan, GLFW, and GLM. Yeah, I already have Vulkan, which is good, and I have a GLM and GLFW thing, which I can do add here. So let's me add here. Oh, there. Yes.
But yes.
Vulkan.
So I should.
Okay, so let's see. So wallpaper games. These are just what you see.
And I didn't make you do it. Yes.
Okay, so yeah. So this is pre-made, pre 5. It's just a script that can generate whatever kind of projects I want. Which sometimes, which for our sake is VS Code, not VS Code, Visual Studio. But you can do, I've seen, so you can do make scripts, you can do all the code, you can do Xcode if you want for whatever fucking reason to do that. I would highly doubt that. You can do that. So let's see. So we have our workspace, which is gonna be called game. Start project is gonna be the game. Let's find out the Flappy Birds and then replace the game. Free type. We're not gonna be having free. Maybe we're gonna have free type. I'm probably not gonna have free type. Ladder. GUI. PCH. Okay. Look at this. Game. Sure. I don't know what that means. Free type. Am I gonna free type? Label here. Not for now. We're gonna remove it. Then let's see, we already have a GLFW version, a GLAD version. Okay, we don't need GLAD because we're gonna be using Vulkan. So let's figure out how that goes. General edit Vulkan band lib. GLM. Okay, Vulkan API. So let me do that. The Vulkan. Yeah. Oh. Oh. See docs. Script workplace. There's a relative and absolute paths. Settings, docs. Doesn't matter. Doesn't seem like much of a thingy magic. Anyways, let's see. We're gonna try this and see if it works. Send them in game. Don't need to include GLAD. So let's see. We have GLM, we have GLFW. We need to do the. Oh shit. Vulkan. Guess we can add this easy. Vulkan, and it's gonna be It's gonna be lib. And from what I understand, it's just this Vulkan one. Lib. Vul -1 that look like this. This is the old one. Let me see how this works. This is links where Windows when include directory. Yep, that's good. Thank you. Blood. I did any of these. So blood. Let's put it at the end and go. Or not put it at the end. I'll put it here. Open. Yeah. I don't have blood anymore. That's good. I'm not blood anymore. Which standard is this? C++ 70. Good. Let's do a GitHub repo. It's like here github.com/Vulkan. New repository. My thing image called wall. Okay. Yeah, create a repository. Put tips. Thank you. Long again. Git add sub modules. Let's see how we add sub modules. I do this every time. Every time I don't know how they work. Yes, feel head. Let's see. Let's try get fetch here.
Yes.
Modules.
What the fuck? I'm so mad at
Get the module. Let's
nothing. I'm mad at me. That's so mad. A bitch. It's cool.
Oh my fucking god, this all not work. Don't work. Let's try to build this.
Let me just ask Maki. Maki, everything okay?
Yes.
Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Do you have enough attention?
I don't know what you said, but yes.
Do you have enough attention?
Yes, thank you.
You do not feel neglected?
No,
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Sex like that, what the fuck? Let's see, I need to get some module.
This one.
Clear, let's do. Okay, get search module, add branch force name, reference, repository path. Perfect, so let's go to all of these Git modules, paste them in here, and then try to recreate or just great commands. And it's like this. And it should be get some module. Add. We are gonna add this
Dude, you enticed me.
here.
Fuck.
Then
What the
you
fuck?
do game enter W.
What the
This, and then we can do I'm going with brand.
What the fuck?
Let's try that.
Wait.
Seems to be working. Seems to be working. This W. Our favorite person. Sodding says.
Exactly.
Sodding. Thank you. It's not that hard thing. So and on. That's. We should stop saying stuff like that. Sub module. Who gets shit? Then I can do a generate projects.
Exactly.
We
Exactly.
okay. Yeah. There's a lot of stuff that isn't allowed like this.
Found this.
That's too many lines. That's the correct octave lines. Let's ignore. This can. Let me go with
Oh Jesus.
push. Let's push this origin master.
Really?
And now we can go into
Okay. Do I have permission
Uh.
to watch this?
whatever the fuck you want. Sure. No.
I think it's weird.
I do think it's weird. Okay, just so you know, I did click on Visual Studio and it is loading. Still, it's still loading. With this speed, I might actually go to sleep before I get the project.
Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you... Okay, we have time for that. It's only 3. Do you mind? Am I distracting? Do I have your consent? Okay, I don't want your eyes to be exposed to something that they do not wish to be exposed to. Bro, you scared the hell out of me. What the fuck?
No, that's that's why so. The cat scared me. The fuck you want, fuck? Okay. Please, cat, move there. If so, let me do pre-make 5 here. Do this, and then I can see it does have. It should have game source. Keep going. I know there is.
To go kill this and die out of embarrassment.
And it's gonna be make. Let's see, PP. Thank you, pre-make. And then let's copy paste. This is it. Let's copy paste this. Let's run it to see if it works. It should. I don't know if it's gonna show anything, but probably not. It's gonna tell us what things are supported. Cats. Oh my god. Yep. What the Mirala, no, Mirala. I'm gonna give you food, I'm sorry. It won't happen again. Yep, she certainly is fucking bitch.
No, it's Michka, why? Michka, anytime. Well, no favorite skin. Michka is also equal to Yappa. It's Yappa. Yappa.
PCH. H. Fuck your fucking.
But yeah, it's Yappa.
She's too fucking heavy, what the fuck?
Do you need help? She's just
I know, she is.
sitting on his shoulder. Why does she have to do that to me?
She does. But usually I give her the food. So she's like, come here, bitch.
I wanna have you, kitty cat, with me.
Go give her food and she's gonna sit next time next to you. I don't know what the fuck that means. Build clean game. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Oh fuck, okay, I don't need Unicode, I don't need this stuff. All of this we're gonna add like we are not normal people. Please, cat. Cannot open pre-compile. I probably...
Let's do this.
You'll get your food, fucker. Hey. You said you want her to get to maziti te više. Go give her food.
See.
And let me get you out. And we can talk. And we also need to drink pure water, so can we go?
What the fuck?
Tools? I don't know. Oh my fucking...
Oh, I have a perfect outfit for this.
Source. It's at the top. Does it mean at the top or at the top at the top? Assholes. Copy. Clean. Google has not using full project. Let's... Yep. Oh, it's generating it. It's generating the PCH. It's not generating. Oh, fuck off. Invoke me. What does that even mean? I'm just gonna skip this. Oh my god, I'm gonna get. I have to get my cat food, otherwise she's gonna kill me. I'm back.
You're back.
Without water because someone didn't want to come to. I'm joking. Nothing, bro. Man, doesn't matter. That's not a fatal error. That's a weird. Wait. Windows.h. I don't have that. Maybe I do. I don't know. Probably don't. Let's just do this. Let's see. Resolved. So tool project. Oh, I probably did. Oh, I did stupid. I know exactly what I did. Yep, find console. Hazel. Yes. Thank you. Remembers me. Remake file. And Hazel. Console app. I'm stupid. Let's reload all. Probably gonna work now. Probably, I hope. Yep, it did. I don't know what this is. This is what I wanted. Stop. Just gonna. Okay, perfect. Build. Clean game. And then let's run it. Then hopefully it's not gonna kill itself next time. And
Right?
there it is. Have a window.
Right? I have them right
And
here.
these are the 16 extensions that are supported. Cool.
Jade! I also have a jade. A white jade bowl and a jade stone.
Let's just get all of the. I probably need standard input.
That's scary. Fuck.
iOS stream, I guess. That anymore. I guess we can do that. Simple math. I mean, it should be initialized, I don't know. What does it say? We have thing running and we have 10, 16, I still don't know how to get 16 extensions that are supported. This many, it's okay, this many. You can start seeing the pixels here. If I zoom just about, But yeah, okay. So let me Vulkan game. Get going. I have this because you know, fixed make scripts. Sample code. Minutes. What the fuck? Simple test. Well, how do I say this? Not simple code. It's what is it? What is it? It's code. So it's what kind of what is it? My brain is stopped. Sample. Test. Code. Initial code. Wait. Push. How do I close this? So, okay. I'm not that blind yet. So. Cool. Why I decided to go with Vulkan is I don't know. So let's go with that. Okay, so I just made sure it works. Let's see the overview. Origin of Vulkan. For this now I don't need bigger fucking, I'm blind as fuck. Apart from abstraction of GPU, the problem is it most of it fixed configurable fixed functionality. Programs had to provide vertex data in standard format in variability of the GPU manufacturers with regards to lighting and shading options. As graphics card sure they start off in more and more. How this new functionality somehow this was an ideal instructions, a lot of guesswork on the graphics driver side to map the program's intent to the modern graphics architecture. That's why there are so many driver updates for improving the performance in games, sometimes by significant margins. Because of the complexity of these drivers, application developers also need to deal with inconsistencies between vendors, like the syntax that is acceptable for shaders. Aside from these new features, the past decade also saw influx of mobile devices with powerful graphics card hardware. These mobile GPUs have different architectures based on their energy and space requirements. One example is tiled rendering, which would benefit from improved performance by offering a program more control over this functionality. Another limitation relating from the edge of this RP is limited multi-threading support, which can result in bottleneck CPU side. Vulkan solves these problems by being designed from scratch for modern graphic architecture. It reduces driver overhead by allowing programs to clearly specify their intent using a more verbose API, and allows multiple threads to create and submit commands in parallel. It reduces inconsistencies in shader compilation by switching to standardized bytecode format with a single compiler. Lastly, it acknowledges the general purpose processing capabilities of one graphic cards by unifying the graphics and compute functionalities into a single API. I don't know how to read.
Oh, that would be so fun. Exactly.
I don't care. What it takes to draw a triangle. So this is why it's much harder to work and much better to work at the same time in Vulkan. See, these are all the steps to make a simple thing, okay? And if you ever see an OpenGL tutorial, it's like 7 lines. Yeah, let's see. We'll now look at the overall of all the steps it takes to render a triangle in a well-behaved Vulkan program. All the concepts introduced here will be elaborated in the next chapters. This is just to give you a big picture to relate all of the individual components to. Instance and physical device selection. Vulkan application starts by... Oh my god. Why did I see an animation? I'm a blind problem. Instance and drop VK instance. An instance is created by describing your application and any API extensions you will be using. After creating the instance, you can query for Vulkan supported hardware and select one or more VK physical devices to use for operations. You can query for properties like VRAM size and the device capability to select the desired devices. For example, to prefer using the dedicated graphics card, which is smart and should be done. I remember some of it because I did a thing like this before. I start from the beginning so I can remember more. After selecting the right hardware device to use, you need to create a VK device, logical device. We will describe more specifically which VK physical device features you will be using, like multi-viewport rendering and 64-bit floats. You also need to specify which view families you would like to use. Most operations performed with Vulkan, like draw commands and memory operations, are synchronously executed by submitting them to a VK queue. Queues are allocated from queue families, where each queue family supports a specific set of operations in its queue. For example, there could be separate queue families for graphics, compute, and memory transfer operations. The availability of queue families could also be used as a distinguishing factor in physical device selection. It is possible for a device with Vulkan support to not offer any graphics functionality. However, all graphics cards with Vulkan support today will generally support all queue operations that we are interested in. Windows Surface and Swap Chain. Unless you're only interested in off-screen rendering, you will need to create a window to present render images to. Windows can be created with the native platform APIs or libraries like GLFW or OSTDL. We'll be using GLFW in this tutorial, but more about that in the next chapter. You need 2 more components to actually render a window. A Windows surface, VK surface, KHR, and a swap chain. VK swap chain KHR. Note the KHR postfix, which means these objects are a part of Vulkan extension. The Vulkan API itself is completely agnostic, which is why we need to use standardized WSI, the Windows System Interface extension, to interact with the window manager. The surface is cross-platform abstraction over Windows to render to, and the general is instantiated by providing a reference to the native window handle. For example, HWND on Windows. Likely the GLFW has a built-in function to deal with the platform-specific data of it. The swap chain is a collection for rendering targets. Its basic purpose is to ensure that the image that we're currently rendering to is different from the one that is currently on the screen. Okay. This is important to make sure that only complete images are shown. Every time we want to draw a frame, we would have to ask the swap chain to provide us with an image to render to. When we are finished drawing the frame, the image is returned to the swap chain for it to be presented to the screen at some point. The number of render targets and conditions for presenting finished images to the screen depends on the present. Common present modes are double buffering, pacing, and triple buffering. We'll look into these in the swap chain creation chapter. Some platforms allow you to render directly to display without interfacing with different managers through VK_KHR_display and VK_KHR display swap chain extension. These allow you to create a surface that represents the entire screen and could be used to implement your own window manager, for example. Cool. maybe a cool idea for me. Step for image views and frame buffers. To draw an image acquired from swap chain, we have to wrap it into a VK image and a VK frame buffer. An image view references a specific part of an image to be used, and a frame buffer references image views that are to be used for color, depth, and statue target. Because there could be many different images in the swap chain, we'll preemptively create an image view and frame buffer from each of them and select the right one to draw at a time. Render passes in Vulkan describe the type of images that are used during rendering operations, how they will be used, and how their content should be treated. In our initial triangle rendering application, we'll tell Vulkan that we will use a single image as color target and that we want it to be clear to a solid color right before the drawing operation. Whereas a rendering pass only describes the type of image, a VK frame buffer actually binds specific images to these slots. I've read that and I don't remember a single thing. I guess we'll understand it better when we read it. The graphics pipeline in Vulkan is set by creating VK pipeline object. It describes the configurable state of the graphics card, like the viewport size and the depth path operation, and the programmable state using VK shader module object. The VK shader module objects are created from shader bytecode. The driver also needs to know which render targets will be used in the pipeline, which will be specified by referencing the render pass. One of the most distinctive features of Vulkan compared to the existing APIs is that almost all configuration of the graphics pipeline needs to be set in advance. That means if you want to switch to a different shader or slightly change your vertex layout, you need to entirely recreate the graphics pipeline. That means you will have to create many VK pipeline objects in advance for all different combinations you need for your rendering operation. Only some basic configuration, like viewport size and clear color, can be changed dynamically. All of the state also needs to be described explicitly. There is no default color blend state, for example. I know exactly what it is. The good news is that because you're doing the equivalent of a head of time compilation versus just in time compilation, there are more optimization. There are more optimization opportunities for driver and runtime performance for the driver, and runtime performance is more predictable because large stage changes like switching to a different graphics pipeline are made very explicitly. Very explicit. Oh my god. Do you wanna read all of this? So many. Oh my god. Let's read. I guess common pools and command buffers. Command pools, not common pools. As mentioned earlier, many of the operations in Vulkan that we want to execute, like drawing operations, need to be submitted to a queue. These operations first need to be recorded into a VK command buffer before they can be submitted. These command buffers are allocated from a VK command pool that is associated with a specific queue family. Through a simple triangle, we need to record the command buffer with the following operations: begin the render pass, bind the graphics pipeline, draw 3 vertices, and the render pass. Because the image in the frame buffer depends on which specific image the swap chain will give us, we need to record a command buffer for each possible image. Select the right one at the top.
Which is your cleanest time?
Both. Okay, let's continue. Yes, the alternative would be to record the command buffer one again every time, which is not as efficient. Now that the drawing commands have been wrapped into a command buffer, the main loop is quite straightforward. We first acquire an image from the swap chain with vk acquire next image khr. We can then select the appropriate command buffer for that image and execute it with vkq submit. Finally, we return the image to the swap chain for presentation to the screen with vkq present khr. Oh my god. Operations and printed views are executed asynchronously. Therefore, we have to use synchronization objects like semaphores to ensure correct order of execution. Execution of draw command buffers must be set up to wait on image acquisition to finish, otherwise it may occur that we start running into an image that is still being read for presentation on the screen. The vkq present khr call in turn needs to wait for the rendering to be finished, for which we'll use a second semaphore that is signaled after rendering completed. Summary. This tour should give you a basic understanding of the work ahead for drawing the first drawing. Our real-world program contains more steps like allocating vertex buffer, creating uniform buffers, and uploading textured images that will be covered in subsequent chapters, but we'll start simple because Vulkan has enough of a steep learning curve as it is. Note that we'll cheat a bit by initially embedding the vertex coordinates into the vertex shader instead of using a vertex buffer. That's because managing vertex buffer requires some familiarity with command buffers first. So just to do simple stuff, you need to understand so much stuff. Like this is not normal. Not normal. Oh my god. I forgot for this stuff. Oh my god. Well, anyways, blah blah blah. API concepts. Done by Lunar G. Functions are lowercase vk prefix type like an impression. K prefix and nomination values have a vk prefix. The API will use structs to provide parameters. Function for object component. To extension structure always been no point to this tutorial. Is that right?
Yes, some japa.
Allow me so. Validation. As mentioned, Vulkan is designed for high performance low driver. It will include very limited error checking and debugging capabilities by default. The driver will often crash instead of returning an error code if you do something wrong, or worse, it will appear to work on your graphics card, completely fail on others. Vulkan allows you to enable extensive checks through a feature known as validation layers. Validation layers are pieces of code that can be inserted between the API and the graphics driver to do things like running extra checks on functional parameters and tracking memory management problems. The nice thing is that you can enable them during development and then completely disable them when releasing your application for zero overhead. Anyone can write their own validation layer, but Vulkan SDK by Lunar G provides a standard set of validation layers to use in this tutorial. Also need to register callback function to receive the permissions. Blah blah blah. Let's go here. General structure. In the previous chapter, we created a Vulkan project with all the proper configuration and tested it with the sample code. This chapter will be starting from scratch with the following code. Let's do it. Load base image. Let's do that. Okay, let's see. We first include Vulkan header from the Lunar G provides functions the std accept and string headers are included for reporting and propagation errors. The C lib header provides the exit status and exit failing macros. Exit success and exit failing macros. And oof. The turret has been prepared. We enter the main loop, start running a frame. Fulfill the main loop. When it's closed in a once the window is closed, the main loop returns for make sure to deallocate the resources will make the cleanup function. If any kind of fatal error occurs, then expression will throw an std runtime error exception. Find prompt. Standard exception types as well. We catch the std exception. One example of an error will be also is finding out a certain required extension. After a chapter that follows after this one will be added a new function clean from init Vulkan and add one more new Vulkan object or private class members that need to be called at the end of in clean. A very cool code. Okay. Just like a chunk of memory allocated with malloc requires equal to 3. Every Vulkan object that we create needs to be explicitly destroyed when no longer needed. Automatic or smart pointer values, however, have chosen to be explicit allocation. The allocation for objects in this tutorial smart. One needs to be explicit about every operation to avoid mistakes or execute developments. Okay. One this tutorial could implement automatic resource manager by letting C++ classes that require objects in the constructor and release them in the destructor by providing custom deleter to either std unique pointer or std share pointer depending on your ownership requirements. A recommended model for larger component is recommended, but the learning process you shouldn't. Okay, so either create them directly or indirectly. To destroy them, we can destroy 3 types. So one parameter that also be allocated. So parameter that will specify callback for a custom member. We will ignore this parameter to pass no pointer as an integrating GLFW. Vulkan works pretty fine create a window if you want to use it for off-screen rendering, but it's a lot more exciting to actually show something. First, replace the include Vulkan line with this. Yes, sir. Tough. I really don't know what the fuck it is. Okay, here's like that. Thank you. I make it there. Thank you. And then we can just pop this to here. Nice. I can just do. Okay. Cool. So let's replace this. That page of W will include its own definitions and automatically load the Vulkan header with it. Add an init window function and add a call from the run function. Okay. Window. Vulkan. Okay. Page of W init will initialize the library because there's a was originally designed to create an open geop context. We need to tell it not to create a geop context. Okay, so we first call glfw init. Okay. Then we set the hint. We don't want a stupid glfw OpenGL API, because we are fancy people here. We'll disable fucking window resizing, because very complicated as always. And then we can add a glfw window in the private sector. Private. And then we can initialize it. 800, 600, no pointer Vulkan. Window width, height, and title of the window. The fourth parameter allows you to optionally specify monitor. When the window last parameter is on to OpenGL. So constant instead of hardcode with number. Okay, let's do that. Yep, I'll do that then. Also, the wrong function. Smartass. Let's see. Then in the main loop, we just loop over until we ask for closing, or I guess we press the X button. In the cleanup, we need to destroy the window and then terminate glfw. We run it and we should see Vulkan, and it's 800 by 600. Hopefully we can close it. We're gonna close correctly. So let's save this in Git. Be like whatever this. Step, I guess tutorial step 1. Commit push. Step 1, whatever. I don't know. And just like it. So, Vulkan connector and Vulkan instance. The instance is the connection between your application and the Vulkan library, and connecting it to the specifying some details about your application to the driver. Set first create function of create instance, and then we'll have a VK instance. Cool. I have create instance. Let's copy this and let's see what everything does. So we have application info. The data is technically optional, but it may provide some useful information to the driver and the option specific information. Graphics engine certain special behavior. It's called BK application. I guess we're gonna let's learn let's learn Vulkan. Because I'm certainly not making a game, because this is far from the game, from a game. So we say that the type is thing imaging. They usually why do they do it? Probably just to be sure. As you pass pointers and they're like, I don't know if you're gonna fuck us over. Specify the S name. Yes, again, pnx can be an extension, I guess. Application name, hello triangle, no engine, name, engine name, which we don't have, so. Version of 1.1.1.1.0. This next act is not optional and tells the Vulkan driver which global extension and validation layers we want to use. Global here means they apply to the entire program and specific device, which will become clear in the next few chapters. Okay. Okay. The first two parameters are straightforward. We say, hey, this is the type, and hey, this is the application info we have. The next layer specifies the desired global extension. As mentioned in the overview chapter, I don't remember. I added something in my YouTube thingamajig title because I've seen a lot of people do that, and maybe it works, so we're gonna add it to this. Alcohol. Second, you probably do hear this, it's not just what hear this. Here you go. No problem. Okay, I'm gonna try to have headphones. Yeah, maybe I'll put in the music. Actually, listen to stuff. I have a problematic headphones, so they break all the time.
Maczki. Techniczki, ja.
As mentioned, our capital Vulkan is a platform agnostic interface. You need to an extension to interface with Windows system. Here has a built-in function that returns the extensions it needs to, which we can pass to a struct. Let's type, I guess, because we want to learn. GLF count, and then once char GFW and extend. How extensions extend. Okay. Okay, at least I spelled something correctly. Holy shit. And then we set this to equal glf w get required instance exceptions equal, and then the count. So, and then we're gonna set enabled extensions count to the extensions count we've got back from GLW and create that enable extension up enable extension names. Okay, the last two members in the structure determine the global validation layer to enable. We'll talk about these more in depth next chapters, so we don't need it really now. So let's set to 0. I'm gonna comment everything. Get the required extensions by W and set them for Vulkan instance. Okay. Okay, so I guess that we don't need more stuff. So this is the result. Pick your result, You say create, and then our instance, which is here. So create instance with this create info, the allocator, a custom one if you have one, and the instance. There. As you can see, there are a pattern object. Okay. Wiki result, that is either a wiki success or an error code. Check if the instance was created successfully, then the resulting just check this. Okay. Do I call it somewhere? Wait instance. Connector should be this way. Why? I don't know. Let's run it and see if we get an error. We hopefully don't. And it seems we don't. Cool. It's chapter. Chapter is the word I wanted to use. Chapter. And it was a for later. Anyways. Lol. If we look at wiki create instance. And then you'll see that one of the possible errors was not present. We would simply specify the extension we can require and terminate if zero code comes back. That makes sense for essential extensions like Windows systems. But if we want to check for optional functionality, to retrieve a list of supported extensions before creating an instance, there's a wiki enumerate insert extension properties. Holy shit. Function. It takes a pointer to a variable that stores the number of extensions and an array of wiki extension properties to store details by extensions. It also takes two optional first parameters. An optional first parameter that allows us to filter extension by specify validation layer, which we'll ignore for now. To allocate an array to hold an extension details, we need to first know how many there are. Where's the number of extensions? So we need to destroy this. Yeah. I'll add some details about yes, we can try to do that. Though they again should all be always required there, but void check extensions valid. Are extensions valid? Are extensions supported? And then we can do const char. I feel like I can do an cd array extensions. But I guess we don't get the fact, so we can't really do that, so we should. Let's do that, fine. Account. Maybe. Pointer extensions and then count. And then we can have this here. We can go to Solution Explorer, sort. Okay, really. Vector. Extension properties, extensions. If extension point. This. Yes, this oh my fucking god. Sure. I guess we can do supported extensions. Supported extensions. I still like to use this because why not? Length, size. This is yeah. If it's empty, we're gonna get a count, and then we are gonna do this. We also need to do this dot resize this. Then for extension auto extensions for eyes 0 eyes is the count plus is that this supported extension for auto supported extension we can do const pointer extensions type bool font false. Oh, camel my cat. Camel these nuts. Anyways. I'm nice. For the extension that name is found through break steady vector sharp pointer not working extensions, I guess. How do I say that? Unsupported extensions font size. No. Okay, this is what it's stupid. Okay. Like this. Probably like this. I'm not sure. Yes. If are not found. Unsupported extensions that push back. Extension. Supported side empty. So if it's not empty, we once try, I guess. Yeah, sure. Smart. What do I try? I cannot say fail to create instance. Here we're gonna say unsupported I guess I can return the character array. So I guess I return not the item. Turns the checks if all the turns are supported. Turns a vector and supported extensions. Turn let's do this so. Is equal to this. Extension con unsupported GLFW extensions for auto extension.
So how are you?
Then we're gonna do
What?
Yeah.
Oh, Mark, scared the shit out of me.
Yeah. steady see out count. See out extension. Right. Let's do it like that.
Show Marky. Marky seems already. Open the show. Marky.
I of course haven't unmuted, but I have now.
It's called boobs.
Let's try again. Okay, there are I don't think there are unsupported. I think I'm just stupid, you know. So let's check.
It's so funny how I don't look like those models and shit.
Who told you that?
My mom.
Mind is an asshole. Lying.
I look
Let's see.
risky. Yeah, yeah.
Fuck. Please run. We can surface. There it is. So that's char. Okay, I hear it. Have to do string. And like these are extension. Bless you. Return 20. So if it's 0, that means we found it. So, okay, really? There are. What the fuck?
This.
Cool. 32 surface. They're both supported, so I really.
What the fuck is this?
Using this thing, and it doesn't matter. Okay. Maybe we haven't. Okay. We finally have a window again. Cool. I don't think it matters really which way we do it. It's gonna run once. At worst, it's gonna have, even it's like a million things. It's string compare, and people are not gonna notice. I think the last thing they're gonna notice is my bad string comparison. Okay. Everything else maybe. The bad string comparison that's just at the start of the thing is very hard to believe.
I don't fucking know what that was.
Maybe I can still do this. Oh my god, const char. What? Force to like thing works on wrong place. Let's see if it's gonna break. That's not good. Okay. With double extensions, it would be great. Maybe I can do a string. Fuck, what the fuck did I do? String error. Line. And then I can do plus equal.
To be honest, that's like the best thing ever.
New plus.
Isn't it supposed to be like that?
And then error. to the string.
It's supposed to be like that, Jesus. But that's what I thought.
See, that's what I thought. Like this better. Yeah, you see, now it's nice and clear.
She just offered for her.
I feel like I should do it the C++ way, which is the wrong way, but I'm working in C++, I guess I have to work. No, fuck C++, you know, fuck it. Okay, fuck C++. I try to be nice, I can't be nice to C++. That's just the worst fucking decision ever to put all the fucking open and closing open and curly braces on a new line.
This. They went for the
Triangle. Hello, triangle in this.
candy. Experience. That's like
That. Okay, let's see. Extensions. Required extensions. Try to. That's great. I'm not gonna clean up the array because it's just gonna get cleaned up itself. Doesn't matter about that. Let's see. This function is straightforward. No point there. Okay. Chapter 2 has been finished, so let's get good at. Solution. Tutorial. Chapter 2. Let's see, what have we done? Deleted. Check if all extensions are by the slice sorted, and then create full token instance. All dual life library extensions are supported by those extensions. So,
very good friends.
that's validation layers. What are validation questions that I would love to know? Vulkan API is designed around the idea of minimal driver overhead, and one of the manifestations of that is that there are very limited error checking. There is very limited error checking by the API in the API by default. Even mistakes as simple as setting enumerations to incorrect values or passing null pointers to required parameters are generally not explicitly handled and will simply result in crashes or undefined behavior. Because Vulkan requires you to be very explicit about everything you're doing, it's easy to make very many small mistakes like using a new GPU feature and forgetting to request it at the logical device creation time. However, it doesn't mean that these checks can be added to the API. Vulkan introduces an elegant system for this known as validation layers. Validation layers are optional components that hook into Vulkan function calls to apply additional operations. Common operations in validation layers are checking the values of parameters against specification to detect misuses, tracking creation and destruction of object to find resource leaks, tracking thread safety by tracking the threads that originate from logging every call and its parameters to standard output, tracing Vulkan calls for profiling and replaying. Here an example of an implementation of a function in a diagnostic validation layer could look like. Create alligator instance. null pointer is passed, requires real. These validation layers can be freely stacked to include all debugging functionality that you're interested in. You can simply enable validation layers for debug builds and completely disable them for release builds. Which gives you best of both worlds. Vulkan does not come with any validation layers built in, but G Vulkan provides a nice set of layers that check for common errors. They're also completely open source, so you can check which kinds of mistakes they check for and contribute. Using the validation layers is the best way to avoid your application breaking on different drivers by accidentally relying on undefined behavior. Validation layers can only be used if they have been installed onto the system. For example, G validations are only available on PCs with Vulkan SDK installed. And these were formerly two very different types of validation layers in Vulkan, instance and device specific. The idea was that instance layers would only check calls related to global Vulkan objects like instances, and device specific layers would only check calls related to a specific GPU. Device specific layers have now been deprecated, which means that instance validation layers apply to all Vulkan calls. The specification document still recommends that you enable validation layers at device level self-compatibility. It is required by some implementation. Rather, simply specify the same layers as the instance at the logical device level. We'll see later. Okay. Using validation layers. Okay, I'll be right back. I just need water.
Huh. You're going? Yes, thank you. I'm Maki going somewhere. I just asked him if he was going. Yeah.
I'll do this.
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Hello, I'm back.
Sorry for not talking.
Let's see. Okay.
I am talking that much, I'm sorry.
Using validation layers. In this section, we'll see how to enable the standard diagnostic layers provided by the Vulkan SDK. Just like extensions, validation layers need to be enabled by specifying their name. All the useful standard validation is bundled into a layer included in the SDK that is known as VK Layer Chronos Validation. Cool.
What?
Okay, anyways, Let's first add two configuration variables to the program to specify the layers to enable and whether to enable them or not. I've chosen to base the value on whether the program is being compiled in debug mode or not. The debug macro is part of C++, it's not debug.
Okay.
Sure. Right. Fuck did you do?
Just spoke though.
The fuck? Okay. Because I want it to be funner and better, I guess I'm gonna add our own thingamajigs. So here we are gonna have game debug, game release, for example, and then game dist distribution. And we can then do stuff based on those. You know, because I can do that if defined game debug, which it is now defined. And do this. I'm gonna do it a bit different than this, but I don't know.
What?
Nothing, I'm speaking. We'll add a new function, check validation layer support that checks if all requested layers are available. The first list all of the available layers using the enumerate instance layer properties function. Its usage is identical to that of VK, okay, which was discussed in the last instance creation chapter. Okay, we compare and check if they're supported. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna copy paste this. This should be before creating instances. They all exist, and we can do this, say validation layers. Validation layers requested but not thingamajig. Instance creation, we do this. Validation layers. I guess we can have validation layers. I guess. I'm thinking how to do this the correct way. Do I have it always enabled? Disable. Like, do I have validation layers always? Check or just some on debug. And I guess if they're validation layers, so we're certainly not gonna have them. We're not debug. We're gonna do this. This. Users don't need to do this because this, let's see, yes, and here let's also do this, else, if that way. like this. This is fine-ish, I guess. This too, let's see. Return error layer not reset error, but you should run the program to make sure. Let's run the program to make sure. Well, I get this, so that means it's working. So yeah, that's good. Message callback. The validation layer. Print debug messages.
You can do more of this.
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Sigurno. Что смертно, да? This is just meditation.
Okay. Huh?
Taking like
No.
this.
You can still gonna do it, and just like you really don't need help.
I will ask you.
Okay.
Do you?
No, don't worry. Of course. Don't worry. Let's go. What the fuck did I need? What the fuck? Failed to create instance. Yeah, message callback. The validation layers for print debug messages to the standard by default. So we can also handle them ourselves by providing an explicit callback in our program. This will also allow you to decide which kind of messages you would like to see, because not all are necessarily fatal errors. If you don't want to do that right now, then you may skip the last section in the chapter.
I love this. Yes, this is very wholesome.
It's required, but debug messages. Showing you tools.
Oh, what's this? Someone.
Okay, it required. Assumptions. Size extensions. I don't know if you need this. Outro will now add the debugging. Again, with validation layers to the program, we are not covering everything quite yet. We can create debug tools messenger extension. Oh my god, call requires a valid instance to have been created and a wiki destroyed. If call before instance is destroyed, unable to debug any issues with the wiki destroyed. It's called. However, if you close the read extension documentation, there is a way to separate this. Create a separate debug utils messenger specific for those two functions. Simply pass a pointer to wiki. Be the next extension field. First extract population passenger creation to separate function. Okay. And right now I can skip to last. Aha. Do I want message callbacks and debug? Last message extension. Aha. Okay, go to the config directory or selection layers. I mean, let me read why we would need this. Okay, auto validation layer. Search. set up a debug messenger. Messenger debug messenger utils. I should do the logging. Why not? It's simple-ish. Let's do this. So if stuff like this. Okay, so let's those extensions push back okay extensions name. Okay, let's see. There is string using this macro. Let's see what type of smart. Always use macros if possible. Now let's see which double function looks like. A new static function called debug callback.
Yes. I wanna think. I wanna meditate.
And debug utils. Yeah, load this. Instance set init will create instance. So now it's this create instance and then this. So I will do it this way.
3.
It's Vulkan. Enable validation layers.
I'm meditating much music probably.
I guess we want to do the other way around. So only if this. It's only exist anyways.
And there's what they're saying with the whole hair on back thing.
Data
I think
found PNF user uses pointer to global factor function pass pointer to the P user data field which can be. Okay, I'm so lost. Okay,
you just
it talks about message callback. Your message. File types are once. Severity verbose. Okay, so we want all, I guess. Similar message type, final user. Specification.
turn on the grandma light.
No. No, it's a granddad light.
I know it looks weird, but it's some weird kind of temptation. Please don't.
Don't worry. No. Now let's see. Pass the wiki create function to the wiki. At the right above hello triangle abstraction.
Okay, I'm here and I'm in the screen.
And only at some points it's available. Validation layer under proxy function. it creates stuff. Errors. Same here. Okay. Okay, and the cleanup at the top. We do this. Drag and populate debug messages. Most read of say that there is a way to separate debug get message specific for those two function calls. System pointer to the extension. Visual replacements of function. For create instance. Okay, so what we do here is we have this function. As late creating from then blah blah blah. Okay. And then in VK instance, in create instance, enable layer count for extension cleanup. We should get some apps. That's what it says. Let's see. We get a lot of errors, some of which are not good. Oh. Okay, create stopper together. I'm just gonna have to do it like this so I can see what's going on faster. Create instance. Create certain info, edit picture. What the error is exactly? The way it's going, I'm not gonna be able to open it. Don't close it. Enough for let's see. Cool, I don't know what that means. And we failed to set up the procedure. Click info. Back, callback, back, callback. Employee. Yep, here debug. Mission layer. Make out check. Yes, we do. Mission layer string. There. Layer. Layers. We use that. Yes, and it's in debug. Press the button to available, so it's certainly not that. We get required extensions. That's the call. What? What'd you say?
It's okay.
Yes, yes, yes. I just found out what the problem is. I found out what my problem is. Cool. Get required extensions. Set them up, and then I can check extensions. Static pass. Extensions. So I guess we can do this then. Extensions. Stupid. Fuck.
The bonus fits them.
Extensions.
Helps you actually meditate better.
That's good. Now, okay. Extensions like this. Okay, and if I close, it should be like, hey. Back up it. Let's see. I see a lot of messages, it was not the correct ones. Fuck me. Let's see. Unit window. Big help. Unit Vulkan. Setup debug manager. Shortly.
It's liberating in a way.
Cool. Sudo code. Options may. Okay, then setup debug manager. Okay, the check validation. And then debug callback. And these two. This is what we call an output. Let's see. Messenger instance. Yes. P. Screen up panel. Functions. Okay. Layer name. That's what I wrote. So it's 4.
What did you say?
I'm back. Let's see what the fuck. Again, I'm doing everything everywhere. The fuck. Station layer sound. The problem is I don't know why it wouldn't give me the error. Okay, we love to see this. Doc. SDK and installation, being destination. Yep, yeah, I probably don't. Seems fine. I'm not gonna check my installation, okay? I can't. I'm gonna probably just commit this with the to-do of it doesn't really work. To-do if I comment this line out, it should give me an error in, God forbid, it should give me an error in the console on closing the Probably.
Huh?
Probably.
Or not, maybe he gets more viewers.
Not that kind of viewers I want. Move. It will give you an puzzle. But it does. And the tutorial site. The problem with my installation, but it all seems fine. I don't know. No, doesn't matter. Get the thingy magic, and I know. The stream for holy moly 4 hours.
It's very liberating.
Added debug layer. Nice. Added debug layer for Vulkan, and it seems to have an plus art to do. And that makes sense. But debug slash validation layer for it. Push. I'm gonna go now. So let's see Discord. You can check out my Discord here. YouTube that too. You can check out the kit. Well, no, it's kit. Here, but just you know, it's not even half of a game. It's not half of a game. So I don't know if you would want to do that. Yeah. So you can join my Discord. You can do whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be there tomorrow again to stream the Advent of Code and then probably continue doing this or maybe do something else, depending on how I feel. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.